Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of dictionaries. So let's start how we define dictionary in Python. So let's create a variable that is object and assign values to it. We will assign them as key and value pairs. Name. Let's say London. Now let's print out our dictionary. Let's go to your city and let's print out the type. Run this. So what is? Sorry about that. Let's print out and let's see if you can see here. My dict is the type of dictionary, and here you can see a dictionary in form of key and value pairs like you see in the real world dictionary. So in real world you have word and their meanings, right? So here it is the same. So let's here we have our element store in the form of key and value pairs. This is the key, name is the key, and the value of name is Alice. See, as you can see here, the key is age, the value is 30, the key is city, and the value is London. So this is how we declare our dictionary in the form of key and value pairs. So let's see how we can access elements. So let's see how we can access the name in the name element in my dict. Let's do that. Name is Moscow city with that. Also we are using square braces, and here we give input as a key that we have defined. So input is key is name because we are accessing the name. So let's print this out. So here you can see the name key, the value of the name key is Alice, so it have printed out Alice here. So let's do same with age. Here you can see it have printed out age. So let's see how we can add elements in our dictionary. So let's add a email attribute. So So here you can see we have added, this is the way. So here we write our dictionary variable, and here within our square braces we define another element. So email was not present here, so it have added email in our dictionary. See, as you can see right here, so email was not present. Now here you can see we have added an element, that is email. So we're done with adding. Now let's see how we remove elements. So to remove elements we use the del function, that is delete function, which is an inbuilt function in our dictionary. So here we specify our key which we want to delete. So what we are doing here, we are deleting the city here. So let's see what happens after we delete. Here, let's run this. So sorry about that, there's not dot here. Let's run this. So this is the correct syntax to how to remove elements. So we found del space my dict and our element that we want to delete from our dictionary. So here you can see after we have deleted, and there is no city here. So we're done with dictionary. So to wrap it up, so what are dictionaries? Dictionary in Python are mutable, unordered collections of key and value pairs. So this makes them incredibly useful for tasks like storing data and accessing values using the keys. So thanks for joining us. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding. Thank you.